everybody, so I'm super excited. I finally got my package, as you guys can see here. So yeah, I'm just super excited. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ulta beauty box, then make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I am super excited. Oh my god, what is my hair doing? I literally just got back from Verizon because I had to fill out like all like my W-4s and stuff like that. But yeah, when I came back, this was here. I'm super excited. So yeah, so this is my Ulta box. So I crossed out like all of like my address and stuff like that because, you know, I want to be safe on the internet. So yeah, let's get started. So I feel like I've literally lost my scissors, so I have to use like my little cuticle scissors. So yeah, let's just go ahead and cut this baby open. I was actually like really surprised too, like my box is like really light, but at the same time I only got like 4 things anyways. So I'm not gonna lie, I really hate how like packing companies, like they'll put like a paper type tape on it, and I feel like it's just not really like safe, and I just feel like anyone could literally break into the box and steal your stuff. Alright, so it's open. Alright, so guys, I got some air. Don't need those. Alright guys, so I got some goodies. So the first thing I got is I wanted to try out this foundation, but I can already tell like this shade is already like way too dark. So I decided to pick up the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. And like I said, this is in the shade Fair. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like so orange, and this is literally, I'm pretty sure this is like the second shade in, so I'm probably gonna have to do a yeah. Oh my god, I totally just lost my train of thought. A return or an exchange. Yeah, an exchange. I don't know, because it just looks like super dark, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out. Alright, so the next thing I got on this has been hyped all over YouTube, and I'm definitely going to be doing a video on this. Probably it'll be up tomorrow, but this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and this has been so hyped about how it's compared to the Tarte Shape Tape, and honestly, so many people have found that this is just as good as the Tarte Shape Tape, but hella cheaper. So this is the packaging, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing like a there we go. I am going to be doing a comparison video tomorrow, so keep an eye look for that. Alright, so the next thing I got is I have been loving the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This one, the one's in the green tube, and I decided to pick up the purple one, and this is the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, so it's the one in the purple tube. And the only difference is with this one is that the mascara one, it's curved, but everyone says that it is literally so good. And yeah, just super excited, and I love me some new mascara. It's been a while since I've bought a new mascara. Alright guys, so last but not least, this is like my, actually I'm going to do some samples first because I've got some samples. So, yeah, it says open me. Open me. Alright guys, so I got 2 samples. I got the Becca Coverage Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. And I got it in porcelain, driftwood, and in maple, which I think I could use the maple as like a contour shade if I really wanted to. But I've heard really good reviews about this foundation already. So just gonna have to try it out. But I don't know, the sample isn't like very big and I feel like there's not that much in it. Like you're definitely not gonna be able to do like a full face. So I feel like this should have been a little bit bigger. And then I also got some Biotin Boost. This is a thickening shampoo and conditioner, which I could definitely use. Alright. Sorry, I was just fixing my lighting. Alright. So, last but not least, this is like the one thing that I am like super excited for. And I have been looking at this palette for like a while now. And I've been like contemplating about it. And I'm just like, oh my god, do I want it? Do I not want it? And I was thinking about getting the Morphe 35B. It's either 34B or 35B. I can't remember. But yeah, I saw that this was on sale on the Ulta website, so I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. So I got the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it looks just like this. The packaging is just absolutely gorgeous. I love how it has like the mirror silver finish right here. And then you get 35 colors, and these are actually pressed pigments, so it's not really going to be an eyeshadow, but I wanted to expand more into color just because I haven't had decent colored eyeshadows since I was like in high school when I had like my huge like Ulta palette that I had gotten. So yeah, so I'm just going to take the sleeve off it, and it's really nice because the mirror finish continues onto the palette. And I know that the shades in here are going to be smaller, but I just think they look so absolutely like gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you guys can see like all the shades. And I am currently in natural lighting, so this is what the shades look in natural lighting, but in person they look so much like lighter, and I absolutely like love it. Fix my lighting here. But yeah, I'm just super excited about this palette. Like, oh, I'm just like, yes. So I know there's shimmers in here. There's also some mattes in here, which is like really nice. But I just like, look at this, like this whole entire area, I'm just like, yes, Valentine's colors. Oh, this orange is like calling my name. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this orange. Get some more on here so you guys can see. Like, look at that orange. Like, that is without a yeah, like a white underneath. Oh, this one pink is like calling my name. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm like obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, oh, can we just take a moment? Like, obsessed. So yeah, I can't wait to do tutorials with this palette. Like I said, super excited. So yeah, I'm super excited to do some looks with that palette. So yeah, so that was my little Ulta haul, and I feel so thankful because I haven't done one in a hot minute. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!